guys, Kirsten here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, reg ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's a 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, so let's take a peek. So up at the front you do have your color match bumpers. You will notice a little bit of hail damage to this unit, but that's why we're blowing it out. 50% off MSRP. And underneath the hood there is the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. Along the side you are going to notice your black 17-inch rims. You have your color match door handles. This one does have the remote that you can open and close your two sliding doors. Super easy, as well as the hatch, but we'll check out the back. At the back here you do have your color match bumpers. You do have your chrome accents in this little plate here, as well as your badging. You do have the built-in backup camera. You can open the hatch from your remote. There we go. And then this one does have stow and go seating. Super easy, super convenient. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll check out this inside. On the inside of this one, you do have your nice leather heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You do have a touch screen in this one, as well as tons and tons of space. You have storage in your center console as well as underneath it. You do have 2 glove boxes as well. This one does have your buttons to open your 2 sliding doors as well as your hatch. And we'll check out the back seat. In the back you have lots of storage. You do have a compartment here that folds all the way out for your passengers. It does lock into place in a couple spots. You do have even more storage up here, and then your controls for your heat settings are up there as well. These seats are stow and go as well, so you just need to pick up this floor panel here. Make sure it's nice and flat, and then it's as easy as pulling on the lever and locking it in, and then you have nice flat storage back here. All of our used vehicles here go through a full AMVIC inspection from our journeyman technician. If you're interested in 30+ pictures and pricing of this one, click the link below. If you're interested in any other vehicle on our lot, give us a call, 780-942-3629.